People are terrified by the real and fake news circulating on social media, and CARPHA, along with its partners, including University of the West Indies, can bring clarity and a voice of reason. As was stated earlier, the outbreak of novel coronavirus caused severe acute respiratory illness, reported first in Wuhan in December. The virus has not been previously identified. I emphasize that because part of the fake news is saying that this is an old virus and nothing that is unknown. But little is known about the virus, and this is of concern. So the objectives of the public health response are to interrupt the transmission of the virus from one person to another in China. What we currently know, as was stated before, the virus belongs to the same family of coronaviruses as SARS. Cases have presented with viral pneumonia of unknown etiology, which is now known as novel coronavirus infected pneumonia. The initial investigation of cases in Wuhan revealed most patients had severe and non-productive cough following the onset of illness. Some had difficulty breathing, and almost all had normal or decreased white cell counts and X-ray evidence of pneumonia. The outbreak in Wuhan was initially linked to a market which has now been closed. The possible zoonotic origin to the outbreak is being suggested by CDC. WHO has confirmed that based on reports, person-to-person transmission is taking place within communities in China. We have also had person-to-person transmission just announced by CDC in Illinois in the US between closely linked persons. Some sources have suggested that people without symptoms appear to be transmitting the illness. And I'm hoping that WHO can give us more information on that, because this, of course, makes things quite different. But we still have so much more to learn about this novel virus, about how it spreads, about the severity of associated illness and other features of the virus. And so I'm going to spend just a minute or two to give you an idea of the range of countries that have reported up until now have reported importations, but we now know that apart from China, mainland China, we have a case of person-to-person transmission in the US just announced.